Instagram isn't just an app, it is a digital identity, and once you learn how to use it right, it can actually open doors you don't even know existed. Instagram actually have about 3 billion active users currently, and it is one of the most used app all over the world. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the Instagram app. So guys, not waste much of your time, let's dive right into the video. So the first step you need to take in order to start using the Instagram app is to go to your Play Store like this. So when you go to your Play Store or App Store, the next step you need to take is to go ahead and search for Instagram. So when you search for Instagram, click on the app like this and install it on your device. You can do this on your Play Store as well as on your Apple Store. So right here, you can go ahead and click on open once you're done installing it on your device. So looking here on the screen, of course I actually have an account, but I'm going to show you what you might actually see on yours. Let me quickly log out from this account. So I'm going to log out like this. So looking right here is what you're going to actually see on yours once you are done installing the app on your device. At the bottom here, you can see the option of create new account. So you can easily click on that like this. Now right here, you can actually use your phone number or your email in order to sign into your Instagram account. It's that simple. It's just going to request for your email, and then you need to input your date of birth, your username, and you are good to go. So these are the steps you might actually follow in order to create a new account on Instagram. But I already have an account, so I'm going to quickly go to my account and show you guys what the home page and everything you need to know about Instagram looks like. So right here is the home page of my Instagram app. Now at the top of the screen, you can see the story icon. You can see the story right here. You can see stories. Now these stories are going to be shown here based on the people that are your friends on Instagram, and this story only exists for 24 hours, and after 24 hours they are going to automatically disappear. They are not going to be here forever. So in order to view them, you just need to go ahead and click on them like this, and you'll be able to view them. This story here was posted 17 hours ago, and when it is 24 hours, it is actually going to disappear. So this is what you need to know about stories on Instagram. They disappear after 24 hours. At the top right corner as well, you can see the love button. You can click on that like that. Now when you click on that like that, you are going to be able to see your notifications on Instagram. So this is where you are going to be able to be seeing your notifications. If you want to check your notification, just click on the love button like this, and you'll be able to see your notification. So moving out from this place, looking here at the top right corner as well, you can see the message icon. So if you want to chat or send message to any of your friends on Instagram, you just need to come right here and send a message to them like this. Click on any of them and send a message to them. Let's say hi. Now this is it. This is the section where you can actually send message to your followers or people that are actually following you on Instagram. So at the bottom of the screen, you can see the home page. This is currently the home page. At the bottom as well, you can see the search button. So when you click on the search button, you're going to see random pictures and videos that Instagram actually thinks that you might actually like. So Instagram is suggesting this pictures and video for you based on what they think you might actually like. So in order for you to search for a specific term on Instagram, you just need to click on the search button like this and search for something. Now let's say iPhone 17. So when you search for iPhone 17 like this, you'll be able to see videos and pictures that are related to your search. So this is what you need to know about the search option at the bottom of the screen. Now at the bottom of the screen as well, you can see the plus button. So clicking on that option like this is where you can actually post a reel, a story, or just a post on Instagram. So let's say you want to post just a post on Instagram. You need to select the post option at the bottom of the screen. And as well, if you want to post a story, you can go ahead and select a story like this. And looking at the screen as well, you can see where it says reel. You need to go ahead and click on that if you want to post a reel. So let's say you want to post a reel. Let's just click on reel like this and select a photo. So right here at the bottom of the screen, you can see the music option, you can see the text option, you can see the sticker and effects option. You can also see the voiceover, the video caption, and also the option where you can actually enhance the photo or video you want to post. And lastly, here you can see the icon where you can click and download the picture into your gallery or video into your gallery. So let's say you want to add a music, you can go ahead and click on add music like this, and you're going to be able to see some music suggestions here. You can click on the search button as well and search for the specific music you want to add to that post. So after I've done the music, so let's just go ahead and select any music here and click on OK, then click on done like this. So I'm going to click on next like this. So looking right here, you can see where it says now people can see your engagement across app. So you can simply click on OK like this and click on the share button, and you'd be able to share it on Instagram. So looking there, it says sharing reel. So right here you can see that it has been shared to the reel section. So looking here at the bottom of the screen as well, you can see the option of video. You need to go ahead and click on that. Now when you click on that, this is where you are going to be seeing the reels on Instagram. So these reels are going to be shown in a vertical form, so you can actually scroll and consume a lot of reels right here. Now at the bottom of the screen as well, you can see your profile icon. So you can simply click on your profile icon like this, and you'll be able to see your profile page. So this is my profile page. At the top of the screen, you can see my username, which is appfixandin. So right here, in order for you to actually add more details to your profile, you can click on the edit profile right here. When you click on the edit profile like this, you can see that you can change your username, your name, your bio. You can add a link to your profile. You can change your gender like this. You can add more information to your profile. You can change the category of which you are on Instagram. You can change your profile display. You can do all this on this edit profile. So let's say you want to actually post something without clicking on the plus button at the bottom of the screen. Right here at the top, you can see the plus button as well right there. Now looking here, you can see the reel option, you can see edit, you can see post, you can see story, you can see highlights, you can see AI, and you can also see ads. So you can actually select reel, post or story if you want to post reel, post or story on your Instagram. It is actually the same with that of the one on the bottom at the bottom of the screen. So at the top right corner here, you can see the three line icon. Clicking on the three line icon like this, it is going to direct you to your settings and activity. So this is where you can actually adjust or make any changes on your settings. So I'm going to actually show you guys something on your settings. So right here on your settings, looking here, you can see where it says account privacy. So you can simply come right here and click on account privacy. So let's say you don't want people to be seeing the post you are posting on Instagram. You don't want people to see your reels, your story. You don't want people to interact with your post on Instagram. You can simply change this to a private account by turning this on. But if you want people to be engaging on your Instagram post and liking your post and seeing your stories and post reels and all that, then you need to leave it turned off like this. So moving out from this place, looking here as well, you can see where it says messages and story replies. So when you click on that, looking here, you can see where it says how people can reach you. So this option on your settings is actually critical. You need to make adjustment to this. So looking here, you can see message request. Clicking on message request right here, looking here, you can see allow access to messages. So looking here, you can see where it says who can send message requests. So if you don't want some people to send message requests to you, you can simply go ahead and click on no one, or you can click on your followers and select the people that you want to be sending message to you on Instagram. Now if you want everyone to send message to you on Instagram, you can simply leave it on everyone. So looking here, you can see where it says who can add you to a group chat. So if you don't want people to be adding you to any random group chat on Instagram, you can go ahead and select people you have followed or have messaged before. And not everyone can just add you to a random group, but if you want everyone or anybody to add you to a random group, you can leave it on everyone like this. So looking right here as well, you can see where it says type of message request, hide unwanted message requests. So if you don't want unwanted message requests to be hidden, you can leave it this way. But if you want unwanted message requests to be hidden, you can go ahead and turn this on, and unwanted messages are going to be hidden from your account. So these are the settings you need to take note of while using your Instagram app. So another thing I'm going to show you here as well is this place. When you go to your home screen like this, looking here, you're going to be able to see the posts that people are actually posting on Instagram. Now, in order for you to interact with any of those posts, you can go ahead and double tap on the post and you'll be able to like the post. So let's say you want to read the comments on the post, you can click on the comment section like this and you are going to see the comments on the post. And let's say you want to repost this, you can click on the repost option and you are going to be able to repost it. And let's say you want to share this post or any post on your Instagram feed like this, you can click on the share button and select the friends that you want to share it with. So going to your profile once more like this, looking here on your profile, you can see the post section. This is where your posts are going to be shown on your Instagram account like this. Now if you click on the video, you're going to see the videos that you've actually posted and also the draft that you have not posted on Instagram. If you click on the repost button, you're going to see the pictures and videos that you have actually reposted on Instagram. And if you click on this right here, you're going to see photos and videos that people actually tagged your name into it. So this is what you need to know in order to have a well set up Instagram account. Alright guys, you've come to the very end of this video. It's still your boy Daniel. This is AppFix&Earn channel. Now do it to hit the like button, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be the first to get updated whenever I upload helpful videos like this on this channel. See you in the next one.